Arizona drone gold prospecting. Probably one of the best tools you can use when looking for gold in the desert. I believe I started using drones for gold prospecting back in 2015. I'll put a link to that first video in the description below. This is my current drone. I've had about 6 since then, and this is definitely the smallest. And even when it's extended, you can see it compared to that iPhone. And it has a high-definition camera on the front that I can control, so if the drone is just in the air, hovering in one place, I can still move and rotate the camera around. Now here you see going up some hills. This is what I use it for. Saves a lot of time in the field. Here's some low hills. I mean in 80, 85, 90 degree heat, walking up here with your detector and a couple of buckets and rock hammers, it's going to take you a while. Much easier to take a couple minutes and send the drone up and check out the area, and that's what I use it for. Hey, look to see old tailing piles, old mines, quartz blowouts, and here you can see right there a mineralized quartz blowout right at the top of this hill. So now that's something to investigate, and we're definitely going to go back and do that investigation, and I'll show you in another video what we get. And you can see here I am at our little temporary base camp, sitting in the chair and controlling the drone. I see everything that the camera is recording on my phone. That's part of the control system on the drone. Plus I can get GPS readings from it as well. So it's a very, very handy tool. And you can look for things like this, piling up on rocks, and get a good idea of the whole layout of the area. Save a lot of time when you finally go out exploring. You get a good idea what places to check out first rather than just riding around on your own. Anyway, that's all I wanted to say on this particular one. We're out here in Arizona right now, and one of our favorite places to hunt for gold. We always find gold on these trips, but to tell you the truth, it's rare that we find enough gold to pay for the gas from coming out from San Diego to Arizona. But it is a hell of a lot of fun, and be sure to look at the description for the links not only to that first drone video, but also to my recommendations and the best places to buy some drones if you're interested in it. Not only can you use it for prospecting, I was using mine for real estate, and they're just a lot of fun. Now you can fly it. Some people always ask what's the range. They're all different. This one, now this is a very high-tech drone. You could probably buy a drone for about $50, $75, but you'd be making a mistake. This is a high-quality drone, and with a high-quality camera on it that shoots in 4K. So, you know, you get what you pay for, so to speak. And the bottom line here is that this goes, you can fly this out 1.5 miles or 2 miles from where you are. And so you can, and it can fly for about 20-25 minutes on a charge. I bring 3 batteries, and so I have no problem as far as that goes.
Hey guys, this is Cassie. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tell us in the comments below what you found to be the most interesting and why. Also, if you haven't done so yet, make sure to hit the bell notification next to the subscribe button to stay up to date with all of our latest videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.